Hello everyone, this is Purini Riding and you're watching NDH Prime Time. Let's look into the headlines first. MLA Habjar extends gratitude to the people of Harangajao after his victory. 3 injured in an auto rickshaw accident at Deungbra. Notification issued to provide free education to students from low-income families. Dhemaji DFO arrested on corruption charges. Rupees 62 lakh cash, ivory, tiger skin recovered. Now the news in details. MLA PB Habjar, after his victory in the assembly election, visited Harangajao on 14th of June and extended his gratitude to the people of Harangajao. CEM of Narcocharis Autonomous Council, Debular Kolosa, MSc Emendu Hojai, former CEM Niranjan Hojai, former Chairman Subrato Thausen, Dimasao, BJP spokesperson Samarjit Haflonger and many other MSCs also present in the program. Large number of the people attended the program. 3 injured, including driver and 2 passengers in an auto rickshaw bearing number AS085235 accident at Deungbra on 13th of June at around 9 am. The mishap occurred due to high speed near Deungmuk Forest Gate, Tinali, the report said. The Education Department has issued notifications issuing directives to colleges and higher secondary schools to provide free education to students from families with an annual income of less than Rs 1 lakh. Students whose parents are government employees need to produce salary slips to avail the benefits. Certificates issued by circle officers and mozadars will be considered as valid. People working with private sector units need to furnish letters of income to avail free education for the children. The notification was issued after Education Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma announced exemption in admission fees for students from families with low income. The exemption will be provided to students from families having an annual income of less than Rs 1 lakh. Moreover, such students who enroll themselves for higher secondary, graduation and polytechnic will be exempted from all other fees too. The state government will spend a total of Rs 70 crore for providing free admission. A divisional forest officer has been suspended with immediate effects by Assam Forest Minister Pramila Rani Brahma on corruption charges. The anti-corruption branch of Assam Police recovered over Rs 62 lakh in cash from DFO Mohat Chandra Talukdar from its official residence in Dhemaji district. 1 tiger skin, some quantity of ivory and other animal parts were also recovered from his Guwahati residence. A vehicle was also seized by the police, sources said. 2 lockers in his private residence were yet to be opened. Talukdar, the DFO of Dhemaji Forest Division, was caught while accepting a bribe of Rs 30,000 from 3 businessmen in his office. Later, in a raid at his house in Dhemaji and Guwahati, the investigators recovered the cash and parts of wild animals. The Assam government has ordered a probe against him. That's all we have in NDH Prime Time. For more updates, follow us on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Jutai.